Everyone, this is Kibo Vlog, sa Filipino actor based in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ng reaction video. Ang kay Ruel Carino, ito talaga na curious talaga ako gawa ng reaction video to kasi favorite ko to na kanta ever since, Apo Hiking Society, if I'm not mistaken, yung When I Met You. This is one of my favorite song talaga na kung maririnig ko talaga yung tipong mapapakanta talaga ako, mapapakaraoke talaga ako and everything. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. So Ruel Carino will sing together with Lucky Robles and Nas Poblete, which is this is in a gospel of love concert. So ang kakantahin nila dito, as what I have said, is When I Met You. So without further ado, let's start this. G. Sige nga. Ilang kanta kaya siya dito?
Ito, para po sa inyong lahat, itong awitin ng tatlong matatangkad from Mount Apo. Let's do this.
Kaya kailangan mo.
Let's wave our hands. Come on, ganito tayo.
Okay. Okay. Sino to? Okay. Close din pala sila. Oo, malabo kasi yung video eh. Oh? Wait, key change. Wait, hindi ako makamove on. Ay, hindi pala siya. May kakaiba talaga sa kanyang boses ngayon. In love ba ang bunso natin? Charis. Wow, love the version. Love the version. Okay. Okay. Saan to kaya ginanap? Hindi ko makita ang location eh. Darwinese. Oh, mali. What I'm feeling. Mali ang lyrics siya doon. It's in my life. Okay. Okay, hindi tapo, hindi kumpleto. Meron pa ata isa. Wait lang, wait lang. May isa pa siyang kinanta. Ito, oh, My Way. Ito. Panoorin natin. Ito. Gospel of Love din. Buong-buo yung boses niya, no? Okay. Mhm. Ah, okay. Wala pa pala. In fairness, sanay na talaga siya mag-perform, no? Ay, ano kayong binulong niya doon? Bakit may bulong? I did it my way. Da 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 da. Ito na. Sige nga. Nice. May kakaiba talaga sa kanyang pagkumanta siya ngayon. Sa totoo lang, ibang-iba yung Carino. I don't know, baka malisyosa lang ako. Oh, choice. Okay. I did it my... Nice. Ganda ng ano niya, forma niya ngayon. Wey! Chavez, tinaas eh. Okay. There you go guys. So that is our for today's video from Ruel Canino, When I Met You and My Way. This is K-Pop Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!